One of the challenges that we experience is the integration between Taleo and HCM Cloud. We also had a challenge with support for the Taleo application. And our core competency is the Oracle Cloud product suite. And Taleo is a different application with a different skill set to support that product, and we were not well positioned. By making that transition, we are now seeing the efficiencies of supporting the application. We're seeing that benefit of a seamless integration from candidate to employee. We've been able to consolidate our application footprint from 4 separate applications to 1. By being able to consolidate, it not only reduce costs, reduce support, but probably positions us better to be able to leverage the technology that we have, rather than trying to find out, where do I do this? Where do I do that responsibility? So everything's within a single application, which we already see the benefit from. For us, we're really excited about the capability of building data dashboards within the core application. So by being able to bring that data in and having these graphical reports, it really gives us a great view to surface data to our leaders to help them make good decisions. We also like the mobile experience. We're in the midst of implementing Oracle Digital Assistant, the candidate experience. We think that's going to be a nice supplement to reduce the questions that come into our recruiting team. So we feel like that positions us in a positive way, but we're excited about what's coming, down the pipeline over time.